Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Facebook and Google Sheets. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new comment in a particular post on a page, we want to add new row in Google Sheets. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Facebook is a social networking site, whereas Google Sheet is an online spreadsheet program. The issue here is that Facebook and Google Sheets don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer the data from Facebook to Google Sheets. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Facebook Comments to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now here before starting to work on this workflow, let me explain you the use case properly. So now here the use case is very useful when you want to save the details or information that comes in Facebook post comments. For example, so I have created this post over here on my page, and now I want people to comment about their demands of particular workflow. So here people can easily write about what integration they want in the comments, and now what I want is that these details should be stored properly in Google Sheets as new rows, so that my team can easily understand the demand and then provide them with those videos or integrations. So I've already created a Google Sheet over here. You can see with Facebook page name, the comments for app integration request. So what I want is I want to store the comments that come in that post, and you can also see the date of comment. So now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect, and now here in choose app, I am going to choose Facebook comments, this one. Okay, so now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever there is a new comment in Facebook comments, we want to store the data in Google Sheets. That is why new comment will be our trigger event over here. Okay, so now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever there is a new comment on a specific post in our Facebook page, we want to send the data to Google Sheets. That is why new comment in Facebook comments will be our trigger event, whereas adding new row in Google Sheets will be our action event. So now I am going to click on Connect with Facebook Comments. So now under credentials, you have two options. Either you can create new credential or you can select any existing credentials from here. So here I don't have any existing credential. That is why I let it be new credentials, and now I'm going to connect with Facebook comments. Okay. So here you have to choose the page where you have made a post and through which post you want to get the comments. So here I have already created a page called Pabbly Team, and I want the data to come from this page. That is why I'll choose Pabbly Team. Okay, so now here in post, you have to select from which post you want to extract the comments. So here the post is this one. Pabbly Connect is an integration. So I'm just going to let it be this one only. Okay, now filter. So here in this filter option, you have two options. Either you can just filter the top level comments or you can include the replies as well. So here I just want the top level comments. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here my API response is blank because I don't have any comment on the post. So I'll go to my post over here and I'm going to make a comment. Eventbrite and Google Sheets. Okay, so you can see I've posted a comment over here, integration of Eventbrite and Google Sheets. So now let us go back to Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have the details, we have the created time, we have from name, we have the ID, we also have the message. You can see, okay. Now I'll just save this. Okay. Now we have finished our first step integration, that is integration of Facebook and Pabbly Connect. Now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button. Now here I am going to choose Google Sheets. Okay, now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new comment is posted on a particular post in a page, we want to add new row in Google Sheets. That is why add new row will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I am going to click on add new row because this is our action event over here. Now I'm going to click on connect with Google Sheets. Now under credentials, you have two options. Either you can select new credentials or you can also select any existing credentials like these. Here I let it be new credentials and now I'm going to click on connect with Google Sheets. So here I am going to choose the account where I've already created the Google Sheet. I'm just going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Now here you have to select the spreadsheet name. So here my spreadsheet name was app integration request details. Pabbly Connect has already captured it. You can see it was sheet 1. Here also it is sheet 1. Facebook page name. So let us map it. Pabbly team, the comment, date. Okay. Save. Okay, now I'll click on save and send test request. So we have got the API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Facebook comments and Google Sheets. I'll just save it. Okay. So now I'll go back to my Google Sheets. You can see we have the details over here. I'll just extend this. Facebook page name is Pabbly team. You can see the comment is over here and you can see the date of comment. Okay. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So what I'm going to do is I have logged in from a different Facebook page. I'm just going to make a comment over here. Integration of QuickBooks and Google Sheets. Okay, so I have made one more comment over here. Now I'll go back to Google Sheet and we are going to check if we have got a new data or not. So let us go. I'll refresh this. Okay, so you can see we have a new row over here, integration of QuickBooks and Google Sheet, and you can see the date of comment and the time. So we have successfully finished our integration here. Now I'll just explain you what has happened in our example. So in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Facebook comments to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Google Sheets. So now every time a new comment is made on a particular post in the Facebook page, automatically new row will be added in Google Sheets. So we have successfully finished the integration of Facebook comments and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.